help your employees to be better tomorrow than they are today, every day, which basically means they should be downright amazing by Friday. This is investing in their personal and professional development. Now you might be saying, Lisa, if I spend all that money training my employees, they're just going to leave anyway. Well, what happens if you don't train them and they stay? Puts a different perspective on it, doesn't it? In my programs, I've often asked the question, how do you invest in your employees? One woman at a SHRM state conference raised her hand. She said, we give each employee $1,500 per employee per year to spend on their own personal and professional development. You could almost see the heads of the accounting managers exploding. We have 500 employees. We don't have that kind of money around. That's a lot of money. And I asked her, well, what percentage of your employees take advantage of that? What do you think? What percentage? You got them both, 3 to 5%. This is what I hear all the time. It's rare that somebody will say even as much as 10 or 20%. You're offering a benefit to all of your employees and only ponying up for a very small percentage of them to actually take advantage of it. And the ones that do, they are your future leaders. They are the ones that uplift you. They are like the marshmallows in your hot chocolate. And there are lots and lots of ways that you can provide professional development. But let's talk about one that sometimes a good idea, sometimes it's gone wrong. And that's the lunch and learn. Now, I'm a huge fan of lunch and learns, okay? You buy some sandwiches, you put a tape in the VCR with the number that's flashing, 12. Okay, besides that, even better, you bring in a trainer, shameless plug. But you have all of the employees sitting around having the same conversation at lunch. And it's great. Unfortunately, remember that whole thing about being all excited about the ideas and immediate implementation? This is what happens. Lunch and learns. This is going to be the best thing ever. We're going to do a lunch and learn. So what we're going to do is I'm going to put it in the company newsletter. I'm going to send it out in email. I'm going to make phone calls. As a matter of fact, you're going to get a quote on an airplane with a banner circling the parking lot talking about the upcoming lunch and learn. The day comes. 3 people show up. That didn't work. Not going to do that anymore. And the only thing that changed was the seagulls in the parking lot devouring the sandwiches you threw back there. It doesn't have to be that way. What if instead you ask those 3 people, what did you like? What can we do better next time? What did you like? What can we do better next time? What did you like? What can we do better next time? Now those 3 people phone their friends, invite them to come along. Now I have 8 people. What did you like? What can we do better next time? When it comes to training and development, professional development, it's making a long-term investment. And there's so many different ways you can do that. Again, I make fun of lunch and learns. They are an awesome way to do that. You have a learning library. Now keep in mind that a lot of your employees may not have picked up a book ever. So that takes a little bit of education. Because the library is not where you go to have little old ladies with horn-rimmed glasses shush you. It's a place where your team members can come together, put together book clubs, have discussions. You have Toastmasters, where you can have your own in-house clubs. People learn to be better public speakers. Ongoing training in-house, where you can bring in trainers. Public seminars. My friend Marilee's here from Dale Carnegie. The Dale Carnegie was actually how I got my start decades and decades ago in public speaking. You are investing in your employees. Public seminars, sending your employees to trade shows, letting them see what's going on with your customers, with your competitors, what's new in the market, feeling that they're included. We look for ways that we can help our employees because that's what they're looking for. It's not all about the money. How am I going to be better tomorrow than I am today? And you, as the employers, can make that choice happen for them.